Okay, I would like to share with you an experimentation in pedagogy for kids, tiny kids, which I experimented yesterday. My friend, Professor Lijo George, has two kids, both of them in lower primary classes. Now, one of them had a problem with certain areas of learning. For example, he would never start a sentence with capital letter. Even after repeated reminders, he was still starting sentences with small letters. So my friend, Professor Lijo George, was wondering what to do. The second issue was the silent alphabets, like K in known, K in nob, etc. So the problem was the child was not picking up the fact that these letters are silent, and he was actually reading nob as knob and known as known, in spite of repeated attempts by teachers to enlighten him on this. So I was wondering what would be the strategy. So I recall my early classes on pedagogy, where the best way to learn is either analytical learning or visual learning. Visual memory is the longest lasting memory, and it's so easy to store. So I was thinking of a way to convert these two learning processes into visual learning. So what I suggested to my friend today morning was to take a large piece of paper, actually drawing paper, and start a few sentences with the first letter in capital and in red color, rest of the letters in blue. So we wrote several sentences on the drawing paper with a sketch pen. We wrote it big, and we made sure that the first letter is in capital. We made sure that it's also in red, and rest of the letters in blue. So what happened is, this red color for the first letter, which is a capital letter, registered as a visual memory in the child's mind. And subsequently, he never had any problem starting sentences with capital letters. The same way we tackle the problem with silent alphabets. See, the word known, what we did, we put K in bold and big, in blue, and then we crossed it in red. Similarly, we wrote all those words with silent alphabets and crossed the silent alphabet with a red pen, big and bold. So this registered as a visual memory, and the child could easily remember that these letters are silent, and you need not pronounce these letters. So what the experiment proves is that if rote learning and repetitive cajoling and coaxing fails, you have to convert learning into visual learning. You have to turn memory to visual memory, which will ensure that the idea is stored for a long time in the mind of the child without any effort. Please note, this is without any effort. Visual memory does not require any strain to recall it, because it is registered like a photograph. It comes automatically. So please check it out in your classes, especially at lower levels. This is an experimentation that I would like to share with you, and I found quite successful in this particular case. So I would like feedbacks also whether it would be successful in other cases. Thank you very much.